this is what I can see from inside. Oh my. If you look out there, you see the branches out by the road. And they're buried in the snow, but there's one right behind my truck. And it's probably not safe to go up there because there's going to be more falling because of all that weight of that snow. And all here on this side, trees all hanging. There's one falling there on my shed. And in between, you can't see it, but in between the two sheds, there's one down. And one there. And over here, off of this massive pine. And there's down there sticking out of the snow. There's one there I saw earlier last night that came down, but it's totally buried. They said we're supposed to get 15 inches, but I think we got a couple foot. I'm not sure. Sure is beautiful. Here in the back, I got it on the ground, and if you can see up right there by the house here, there's one right on my roof there. Don't know how good I'm doing at this because I'm reaching out. And this right here, this is on my roof. And here's my back door. These are all on my roof and almost touching the ground. And I cut massive branches off that tree this summer. Those branches should all be way up there and not even reaching the house. But those big trees are bent over. I know it's hard to see through the screen, but that's the way I gotta do it. And then in between there, you can see, let's see, how can I do this? There's a tree going right through those trees right there. And these ones though, I mean, these are literally on my roof. Crazy curtains in my way. Yeah. And those branches they're about ready to snap because they're from way up there. I could not reach them with my ladder to cut them off this summer. And this one over here, it comes way down over to my tractor and everything. Yeah, we got it good this time. There's some, I see logs laying there. Some of them logs back there are what I cut off this summer. Because last winter they were branches laying on my roof, and I said I don't want to do that, have that again. So I went out and cut off all them branches. But these ones are from way up that don't normally reach this far down. So they're under a lot of weight and pressure right now. And this is my bedroom window. And they're right on my roof. They're, they're all, it's pretty, really pretty. But, and that tree right there by the, well, guys, I'm out here now. I took a massive one that was here, drug it over there. I look up there. That branch is right on my roof. It's a big one and it's cracked. Right up there, it's gonna fall. I can't reach it, and it's my power line goes right underneath it. So that's not gonna be fun when that happens. And it's not really safe to be out here because there's so many of them hanging that are busted off and just dangling. So try to avoid it if I can. Oh man, it's everywhere. Both my sheds back there. These. And I got another broken off one up there. It's busted off. And it's laying on my roof. That's gonna come down, and it's part of that piece hanging there. Let's see. It's just a matter of time. That other big one that's hanging right on my roof. They normally aren't anywhere near my roof, but that snow has made them so heavy they bend over and they're on it. And this whole rotten thing, I expect more to come on there. There's a widowmaker hanging up there, so I'm gonna get away from it. Here's some more here. All through here. Way out there. Now get away from this section of trees. That big one there. I got little pieces of ones in the truck so far, but oh, here's a stick on the hood. Just a small one. That one over there. That one over there. There's so many of these are coming down. There's one up there that's broke off. It's just laying there, so that big thing's gonna come down sooner or later. And this one that's hanging here. And these are massive pines. I don't have equipment to get them off my roof or nothing either. And I sure can't handle that by myself. I don't have ropes and all that stuff. And it's snowing again. And the trees have been dropping a lot of snow. If it warms up, maybe they'll drop it. But I know eventually these branches are going to be coming down. Because they're broken off. They're just balancing there. That one there is already touching my power line. The power's off anyway right now, so I may have to call them and ask them to come and see if they will cut them branches off for me. I don't think they will, but they might. This one's a pretty good size one. That could have came right to my wall, but it didn't. The Lord is with me. And that one up there, you can see it a lot better now. That's a big one. It's just a matter of time. I should not be walking under it, but get away from it. And then here's one here that's broken off, but it's balancing up there on the other branch, so that's gonna come down, and it's on my roof too. And all of these, those branches are usually way up there. They don't even touch the house normally, but I can see that tree's leaning a little bit. So is that one. And I see trees back in the woods that are broken off. A little pine right here broken off. There's one up there dangling up there that's broken off. So I'm in a one up there that's a bunch of them in that cluster that's hanging there broken off. They're just balancing or whatever they're doing. So I'm getting out of here. Oh, I'll try to remember to let you know how I make out on all this. There's another big log there, a huge branch that came off under that other tree. So far we're safe inside. I'm going back in there. I'm really scared to be out here now because there's so many of them. I probably missed some. I need to shovel my porch, but I gotta go to the shed to get the shovel. I don't want to go under that unsafe branches too much. I'm gonna have to though. You can see up there that tree, the other one that's busted. I don't know if I can zoom in. There we go. See it there? It's busted off. It's just hanging there. And this one over here is the same way. Right there. Let's see, where's it? Right there. It's broken. That one looks like it's still slightly attached, but it's right over my power line. It goes right through there. So, and with my arthritis and stuff, and my legs, I can't get up there on the roof. I wouldn't try it now anyway. There's a, couple foot up there or so? And more coming and more projected to come, so I didn't sleep maybe an hour or two last night. Well, actually an hour or two the last 3 days, because all the power outages and everything else. It's like hard to sleep. If my house gets damaged, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It already took off my TV antenna. I see the poles standing up there, but it's gone, which ain't no big deal, I guess. It's mangled in the branches there, but because I use this one now. I'll let y'all go back to your day, and I'm gonna maybe try to go to get the shovel or borrow my sister's to clean off the porch here somewhat. Let's see. Just give you an idea. There we go. Almost to my knee. It's hard to walk too. Ooh. See, there's a hole where I was stepping. So, remember, whatever you do in life, make a difference. This is Grampy Campy. Bye. Till next time. Oh, I see I lost the camera too. Oh well, down there somewhere. Bye now.